Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick little recording for you so that you can resize images that I might email you for classes in the future. First thing you want to do is open up your email and then navigate to the one that I have sent to you. You're going to click on that email to open it, and then if you hover over the image, you'll see a little arrow that will ask you to download. Once that has downloaded, you'll then right-click as you're hovering over the image with your cursor, and then select Open With. If you're using Windows, you should be able to select the program Paint that comes with Windows automatically, and then select OK. Once that has opened up, you may need to maximize it in the upper right-hand corner, and then you can either select Resize or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-W. Once you've selected Resize, you have the option of using a percentage or pixels. You want to select pixels. There are basically 96 pixels per inch on a printed image, which is basically 100. So this has a vertical orientation, and we want to print it out on a letter-sized piece of paper, 8.5 by 11. So we're going to put 1100 as our vertical. You'll notice that I have Maintain Aspect Ratio selected, so it made the top at 859. I've gone ahead and changed that to 850, which made the vertical ratio automatically go to 1088. I'm going to go ahead and select OK, because I know that that will now fit on a letter-sized piece of paper. If you wanted to do a quarter sheet, you would select the two halved images and make each of those fit on a letter-sized piece of paper. Again, you're going to be selecting pixels, and 100 pixels basically is an inch. You'll select OK, then select File, and you can choose where you'd like to save that. You can save it as, title it however you would like. I'm going to save it as the sketch for hollyhocks. And then I'm going to choose a folder on my desktop, and I'll select Desktop. I'll go to Online Watercolor Classes. I'll find the folder for my Hollyhocks class, the folder I've created for sketches, and I'll just put that in there. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Have a great day.